Good day everyone, welcome. So in this product review, we're taking a look at Kidsneed Laser Pen. So it claims to offer professional results without the hefty price tag. But does it truly deliver, or is it just another overhyped gadget? So the Kidsneed Laser Pen is marketed as a non-invasive device, utilizing advanced CO2 laser technology to eliminate skin imperfections. Priced at, as you can see, around anywhere from $18 to $40. It boasts features like portability, suitability for all skin types, and a risk-free money-back guarantee. So, however, several red flags have emerged. Firstly, there's no noticeable absence of clinical studies or dermatologist endorsements supporting its efficacy. After that, the official website Kidsneed laserpen.com was registered recently and has a low trust score, indicating potential risks. Some users have reported issues like ineffective results and difficulties obtaining refunds. So, in summary, while the Kidsneed Laser Pen presents an appealing solution for at-home skin treatment, the lack of credible evidence and negative feedback raise concerns about its legitimacy. If you're considering purchasing it, proceed with caution and consult a dermatologist for safer alternatives. If you liked the video, press like on it, subscribe, see you in the next one.